Hello guys, today is the day where we put this G23vtech inside this beautiful EG. So already we decided with my friend Gaja, he did a nice job inside the engine bay. So we decided to do all a little bit better engine bay on both sides. So now the car have a nice shiny looks everywhere. And now we are ready to, we put already the engine mount, the rear engine mount is already installed, and now we are ready to put this beautiful G23vtech inside. Finally the days came, and the day what everybody was waiting for, and let's do it together. Okay, what to do? We push the engine in.
So what we do is we put the mount, put the two at the bottom.
Okay, what we do here, we have put the EG. You can put the bracket, and here in the EG you have a two thread, so you can put this temporary bolt. Yeah, you can put a temporary bolt here underneath, because and drill the holes to align the bolt, and after we do the bolts, we can put the longer bolt. The holes, we do the longer bolts. Very good.
So just go.
The exhaust is in, PLM exhaust on my G23vtech Grange. Look awesome. Very nice. PLM exhaust, manifold is in. Look, everything beautiful. So please subscribe, share and like. Thank you for watching.